Have you ever wondered just how rare are albino crocodiles? In the wild, the appearance of any albino animal is already considered an extraordinary event. But when this condition occurs in crocodiles, ancient living fossils that have survived since the age of dinosaurs, their rarity and value skyrocket. Scientists estimate that today, only about 100 to 200 albino crocodiles exist worldwide, most of them kept in captivity at zoos or conservation facilities. But first, what exactly is albinism? Albinism is a rare genetic disorder caused by the body's inability to produce enough melanin, the pigment responsible for coloring skin, eyes, and hair. As a result, humans and animals with albinism often have extremely pale or even white skin, very light hair, and eyes that may appear blue, gray, or even pinkish red due to the lack of pigment in the iris. Genetically, albinism is a recessive trait, which means both parents must carry the gene in order for their offspring to be albino. In nature, this condition often creates disadvantages. Predators with albinism can't camouflage well to hunt, while prey animals stand out and are easily spotted by predators. For this reason, albino individuals in the wild generally face a much harder struggle for survival. Albino crocodiles, among the rarest animals on Earth. Crocodiles are one of the oldest surviving reptile lineages, tracing back more than 200 million years. Today, they are divided into three main families: Crocodilidae, the true crocodiles; Alligatoridae, alligators and caimans; and Gavialidae, gharials with long, slender snouts. Theoretically, albinism can appear in any of these families, but the probability is astonishingly low. In fact, scientists estimate the likelihood at around 1 in 50 million. That means out of 50 million crocodiles born, only one might be albino. This staggering rarity makes them almost mythical creatures. They stand out with ghostly white scales and striking pink or red eyes, giving them an otherworldly appearance. The struggle to survive in the wild. Life isn't easy for an albino crocodile. Without melanin, their skin lacks natural protection from sunlight, making them highly vulnerable to skin damage and even cancer. Their pale coloration also robs them of camouflage, preventing them from blending into mud, water, or vegetation, an ability normal crocodiles rely on both to ambush prey and to avoid detection when young. Because of this, most albino crocodiles rarely survive long in the wild, and those that do are typically found only in protected environments managed by humans. From living rarity to luxury commodity. Sadly, their uniqueness has also made albino crocodiles targets of the luxury fashion industry. One of the most infamous examples is the Himalayan crocodile Birkin bag by Hermes, crafted from albino crocodile leather. This bag has been sold for an incredible $432,000 USD, nearly $500,000 for a single accessory. Beyond the rare albino leather, the bag is finished with white gold hardware and encrusted with 40 diamonds, making it one of the most expensive handbags ever produced. And here's the shocking part. The hide of one albino crocodile is only enough to make 2 handbags. It's no surprise that this practice has faced heavy criticism from conservationists and animal rights activists. With only about 100 to 200 individuals in existence, every albino crocodile killed for fashion pushes the subspecies further toward extinction. So, albino crocodiles are not just genetic curiosities. They are living reminders of how fragile nature can be. Their striking beauty should be something to admire and protect, not exploit. Perhaps instead of turning them into luxury goods, humanity's responsibility should be to safeguard them, ensuring that future generations will still have the chance to witness one of the rarest creatures on our planet.